For this part, we are going to use the previous part that we designed called the offset shaft. So open up the offset shaft file you have and save a new copy called the offset shaft complete. On the front plane, we're going to do a sketch as shown. And with that sketch visible, you're going to create 2 additional planes. On the front plane, create the profile sketch in this area right here. Going to use dynamic mirror with this line here to speed this up. Can actually move it over. I want to make this vertical there. Okay. Now on this plane here, we are going to grab this edge, convert entities on that, and we are going to use that to do a helix and spiral. Height and pitch, constant pitch, height of 1. Pitch is 0.25. Start at angle 90 in the clockwise location. Make sure taper helix is off. Okay. Do a sweep. Here's your profile and your path. We're going to do another helix going in this direction. So we're going to do a sketch here on this plane here. Mine is plane 5. Yours may be different. I am going to use this previous sketch here. And with that selected, I'm going to do a new additional helix going in this direction. Point 0.0625, or excuse me, 0.625 with a pitch of 0.25. Clockwise 90 degrees, and we're going to taper it this time at 7 degrees. And we want it to go taper in like that. It should look like that. If it's going like this, you need to uncheck that box. Next, we're going to do the same thing on this side. Another sketch here. And a helix going in the, this direction. Let's see, is that correct? There we go. It needs to, these are getting in my way. I can't really see what's going on. This needs to continue around. You can see the spiral. It's really hard to see. You can see that it's spinning in that way. And it's the same information, it's just flipped. Oh, that is really hard to see. Okay, now this next step is pretty simple. I'm going to hide these two planes. And we are going to do 2 more sweeps. And since we have the profile we want, we can just use that edge right there and select this path. Same thing over here. Profile, path. It looks right. Going to hide these helixes, and I'm going to hide this sketch as well. I definitely don't need that in there anymore. For a final touch, we're going to add a fillet. 0.015. Items to fillet. I'm just going to select my sweeps. It's taking its time to calculate. Come on, last one. There we go. Whew. Okay. There you go. To learn more about our program, check us out at fvcc.edu, and for more tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel.